Are you looking for the best foam RC airplanes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best foam RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Elinoover RC Foam Drone for Kids. The Elinoover Kids RC Drone offers a fun and easy flying experience for beginners and kids. Its bright LED lights make night flying safe and visually exciting, even featuring a unique breathing light effect that captures attention. You'll find it simple to operate with one-button takeoff and landing, plus altitude hold and headless mode to help you control the drone smoothly. Show off cool tricks with the 360 degrees flip button, and choose from 3 speed settings to match your skill level. Made from durable foam, this lightweight drone can handle bumps and crashes, and comes with 2 batteries to double your flying time. What we like: easy for kids to use, durable foam body, good value for money, fun gift for children. Number 2. FUNPX Foam RC Airplane with LED Lights. The FUNPX LED RC Airplane offers an exciting flying experience with its colorful LED lights that make night flights dazzling and fun, perfect for evening play or parties. You can easily switch between low and high speeds to suit your flying style, and perform impressive 360-degree flips with just one button, adding thrill to every flight. Its lightweight foam body ensures safety, especially for kids, protecting the plane during crashes. Plus, the easy controls include one-key takeoff and landing along with headless mode, making it simple for you to master flying quickly and enjoy hours of fun. What we like: lightweight and durable foam, easy to control, bright colorful lights, extra batteries included, fun for all ages. Number 3. HOLYFUN Drone. HOLYFUN RC Drone is a very fun and easy to fly quadcopter helicopter designed specifically for kids and beginners. With its 10-inch length, this drone is capable of performing stunts like 3D flips and auto-rotation, making it an exciting gift for birthdays or holidays. It features one-key takeoff and landing, as well as auto-hovering function, which allows for easy control and stable flight. The drone also comes with 3-speed adjustable speed mode, catering to different skill levels. With a total of 18 minutes of flight time and colorful lights, this drone can be enjoyed both during the day and night. The 2.4 GHz radio control system ensures a maximum control distance of 164 feet, allowing for fun flight experiences with friends. Made of lightweight and durable EPP material, the drone is equipped with propeller protection guards, ensuring safety for both kids and the drone itself. What we like: easy to control, lightweight foam design, fun LED lights, includes 2 batteries, good for beginners. Number 4. Sucpeii Foam RC Plane with LED Lights. The Sucpeii RC Foam Plane is designed with safety and fun in mind, making it perfect for kids and beginners. Its full side propeller guards protect you from injuries, while the lightweight, shock-absorbing foam body ensures durability and smooth flying. You'll enjoy exciting features like 360 degrees flips and speed adjustments that add thrill to every flight. Plus, the bright built-in LED lights let you perform amazing stunts even in low light. Thanks to the 2.4 GHz radio system, you can fly multiple planes together without signal interference, offering stable control and a wider range for group play or racing. With 2 rechargeable batteries, you get up to 18 minutes of flying fun before recharging. What we like: easy to control, durable foam construction, LED lights for night flying, altitude hold feature, great value for price. Number 5. Nutty Toys RC Stunt Airplane 2026. The Nutty Toys RC Stunt Plane is a fantastic choice for kids and beginners who want to enjoy hands-on flying fun instead of screen time. Designed for ages 8 to 12, it helps build confidence and coordination while flying indoors or outside in light wind. With 3 included batteries, you get up to 24 minutes of uninterrupted flying, so you can enjoy longer play sessions without constant recharging. The plane is easy to control, featuring beginner-friendly buttons, one-touch takeoff and landing, and a clear manual to guide you. Plus, it performs exciting 360-degree flips, rolls, and spins, making every flight a thrilling experience. What we like: easy beginner controls, fun 360-degree flips and rolls, bright LED lights, longer battery life, lightweight, sturdy build.